Hey guys, welcome back to Madhu's Tech World. Today, it's me Madhu. I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy and non-healthy food identifier. So first I'm gonna show you how it goes, and I'm gonna explain how the code works. So there it is. The boy is wandering around, and then he touches a food, and then it's a burger, so it's unhealthy. So the boy's name is Jojo, and he cannot eat the burger. So the story is mainly about the boy going to his friend's birthday party, and his mom has told him not to eat anything unhealthy. So he should only eat anything healthy. So he can only eat the watermelon and the apple, not the french fries or the burger. So the boy is wandering. So I'll show you now how to make the code for this whole thing. So first, when run means when we click on this run button, it will set the background to sci-fi. So this is the background of sci-fi. And then it will make a new sprite called Jojo. I just named him Jojo, and at 200x and 200y, which means in the center of the screen. So you can actually change it by clicking on this icon, and you can change him wherever it goes. So I'm just gonna put him at 200 and 200. So I'll just put him around there. Now, we set the size of the burger to 25, the french fries 25, the watermelon 25, and the apple 25. So then we make the sprites at the specific locations. And then we make the Jojo sprite wander. So this is the wandering block. So it makes Jojo just go around the screen randomly and patrolling. So we make the burger, watermelon, french fries, and apple patrol. So patrolling means like moving from right to left or up to down. So in this case, it's right to left. So now we are making all of them move like that, because it will be kind of boring if we just make them stay like that, and then Jojo will just go to one and pick it. So, but if they're moving around, then Jojo will go down or up or left or right and pick one, and it will just choose randomly, and then it will say healthy or non-healthy. So this is the main part of the code. This part. So it is when Jojo touches a burger, and then it will remove the color from these three things, because we are gonna set the same code to all the 4 ones, but just change the edits so that it makes those 4 ones. So like if they appear, if it's a burger or french fry, it changes the color of the thing, of the food, to red. But then, and then it will set the background color to red again. And then it will show the title screen as unhealthy, and the subtitle, Jojo cannot eat the burger. So the title, it will appear here, and subtitle here. So the reason why we're taking the color out of these 3 is because, for example, if Jojo touches a apple, then it will turn the apple into a green color, and then it will change the background color to green. And then if it's running again, it will just set it to that same color. And then if it touches this, then it will become red. But we want it to be clear at first. So then we remove the color from these 3, and then it will set the color to their normal colors. So then if you want to play a sound, you have to go to world and pick the play sound choose block, and go to the drop down box and you click on choose, and then it will make you go to this place where it says choose sounds. And so then this is alerts, so I chose the sound from alerts, and it's this sound, cartoon negative bling. So I chose that for the red, and then it will set the background color to a red and this, and then it will make all of these stop patrolling. So this Jojo will stop doing everything that he's doing, and then it will stop these four from patrolling. And this is when it touches the French fries. It's the exact same thing, but just with a little bit edits. So just something like unhealthy, we've put that in the burger too, and Jojo cannot eat the French fries. So they're French fries, and it will stop patrolling these four and the exact same 5 blocks. So it's the same with apple, but the apple is healthy. So it will change the color of the apple to green and the background to green. And it will change the color to a rebel notification. So then it will show the title screen as healthy Jojo can eat the apple, and Jojo stops everything what he's doing, and it will stop patrolling the 4 food. That's the exact same with the watermelon. So now you know how to make a healthy food identifier and unhealthy food identifier. So I finished the program. Now I'm going to show you how this program works. So once it might come green and once it might come red. So who knows? It's by luck. So I'll show you how it works. It's wandering, and it hasn't hit anything yet. It might. Okay, so it hit a burger, so it's unhealthy and Jojo cannot eat the burger. So now I'm gonna show you again. It might hit green or red. So now it hit a watermelon, so it's healthy. Jojo can eat the watermelon. So that's my video of how to make a healthy and unhealthy food identifier, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if it was useful to you, share it with your friends, and turn on notifications. Comment the video if you have any questions on how to make the code. So, see ya. Bye.